enzymes. Enzymes are made by proteins. These are cannot involved in the chemical reactions. These are means enzymes are cannot involved in the chemical reactions but enhance the chemical reactions. The enzymes are first identified by turban scientists. Enzymes are first identified by turban scientists from barley seeds. These enzymes are called diathase. The diathase enzymes helps in the digestion of carbohydrates. Digestion of carbohydrates. So we discussed now enzyme structure. Enzyme structure, enzyme chemical structure. Based on the presence of chemical composition of enzymes, they divided into two types. One is simple enzymes, second one is conjugated enzymes. Simple enzymes are made by only proteins. The simple enzymes made by only proteins. Example, pepsin, trypsin. Conjugated enzymes are made by proteins and non-protein particles. Conjugated enzymes are made by protein and non-protein particles. From the conjugated enzyme, protein part is called apoenzyme. From the conjugated enzymes, protein part is called apoenzyme and non-protein part is called haloenzyme or prosthetic part of enzyme. The non-protein parts are again divided into two types. One is cofactor, second one is coenzyme. Cofactor made by inorganic chemicals like zinc, magnesium, chlorine. And coenzymes are made by organic chemicals. Example, acetyl coenzyme A. Acetyl coenzyme A. From this haloenzyme, cofactors cannot be removed because these are tightly attached with the conjugated enzymes. These are contain strong bonds with the conjugated enzymes. And coenzymes are easily removed by the catalysis because these are bind with weak hydrogen bonds, weak bonds. So it is the chemical structure of enzymes. Now, classification and nomenclature of enzymes. Classification and nomenclature of enzymes. Basically, trivial enzymes. Before the nomenclature, we discussed about the trivial enzymes. Trivial enzymes means gives no idea of source, function, or reaction catalyzed by the enzyme. Example, trypsin, thrombin, pepsin. These are the functional, based on the functional reactions or catalyzed reactions, the name is given to the enzymes called trivial enzymes. Example, trypsin, thrombin, pepsin. And the next one, the nomenclature, systematic name of enzyme. Systematic name of enzyme according to the International Union of Biochemistry. An enzyme name has two parts. First part is the name of substrates for the enzyme, and second part is the type of reaction catalyzed by the enzyme. This part this part means second part end with the suffix word "ase." Example, lactate dehydrogenase. Lactate is the first part, means substrate part of enzyme, and the second part is dehydrogenase. Dehydrogenase is the second part, means the reaction catalyzed by the enzymes. The second part end with the suffix word "ase." Lactate dehydrogenase. And every enzyme contain enzyme code number. Enzyme code number by the classification. Enzymes are classified into 6 groups. According to 6 group, according to the reaction being catalyzed, the nomenclature was determined by the Enzyme Commission in 1961. Hence, all enzymes are assigned an enzyme code. EC means enzyme code number. The classification does not take into account amino acid sequence, protein structure, chemical mechanism. Mean every enzyme contain one specific number. That specific number is called EC number. EC number means enzyme code number. Enzyme code number. The enzyme number means enzyme code number are 4 digits. Enzyme code numbers are 4 digits. For example, A, B, C, D, where A is the class, B is the subclass, C is the subclass, and D is the subclass. The B and C digits describe the reaction, while the D digit used distinct between the different enzymes of the same function based on the actual substrate in the reaction. For example, for alcohol, NAD plus oxidoreductase enzyme code number, NAD plus oxidoreductase code number, enzyme code number is 1111. First one is belongs to class, second one belongs to subclass, third one belongs to subclass, and fourth one belongs to subclass. From these 4 digits, B and C describe the reaction, and D distinguish between the different enzyme on the same function. Now next one, classification of enzymes. Mainly the 6 classes are classified by the enzymes. Enzymes are classified into 6 classes. Enzyme code 1, oxidoreductase. Enzyme code 2, transferases. Enzyme code 3, hydrolases. Enzyme code 4, lysases. Enzyme code 5, isomerases. Enzyme code 6, ligases. From this, first one is oxidoreductases. Enzyme code number, first class is oxidoreductases. Oxidoreductases catalyze the transfer of hydrogen or oxygen atom or electron from one substrate to another substrate, also called oxidases, dehydrogenases, or reductases. These are the enzyme code 1 classification. First class is oxidoreductases. These are the reactions from the oxidoreductases. First one belongs to class and second one belongs to enzyme actions. Enzyme actions. Now second one is transferases. Enzyme code 2, transferases. Transferases means catalyze group of transfer reactions including oxidoreductases which transfer hydrogen or oxygen and or MGen code number 1. These are of the general form. These are of the general form means AX is one chemical compound, B is another chemical compound. On AX, X is the chemical compound is transferred to the B chemical compound by the transferases. AX is the compound and B also chemical compound. From AX, X chemical compound transferred to the B chemical compounds by the transferases MGens. So it is the transferases MGen code 2. And the third one is hydrolases. Hydrolases means catalyze hydrolytic reactions includes lipases, esterases, nitrilases, peptidases, proteases, and these are form of the general form. See here it is AX. It is the one chemical compound. In presence of water, it can cleaves into oxides, hydrolases, cleaves into parts. X oxide, AH, HA means AX chemical compound catalyzed hydrolases in presence of water. It cleaves into two parts called hydrolases. And fourth one is lysases. Lysases, MGen code 4, lysases catalyze non-hydrolytic removal of functional group from substrates, often creating a double bond in the product, or the reverse reaction, that is addition of function groups across a double bond. Lysis. This lysis reactions under non-hydrolytic reactions. See here it is AB. One is AB chemical compounds. The AB chemical compound transfer a lysis into A and B. A and B. XY. XY also chemical compound. ABXY. ABXY chemical compounds are lysis into two half parts. AB it is one part, XY is also one part. Before the lysis, ABXY it is the combination part. ABXY is the combination compound, chemical compound. It lyses into AB plus XY chemical compound. And fifth one is isomerases. Isomerases chemical MGen code number is EC5. Isomerases catalyze isomerization reactions including racemization and cis-trans isomerization. Example, glucose, fructose. Glucose chemical formula is same, but fructose chemical formula also same, but structurally different. Chemical compounds are similar, but structurally different, called isomerases. Then last MGen code is ligases. MGen code 6, ligases catalyzes the synthesis of various bonds, mostly carbon X, carbon with another compound, coupled with the breakdown of energy containing substrate, usually ATP. Ligases means formation of chemical bond between the two chemical compounds. Between the two chemical compounds means between this carbon and hydrogen, oxygen, carbon and sulfur, carbon and nitrogen, carbon and carbon. Ligases means formation of bonds with utilizing of ATP, cleavage of ATP between this carbon oxygen, between carbon sulfur, between carbon nitrogen, between carbon and carbon. These are the MGen classifications, 6 classes. It is important. for essay question.